Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news of residential mortgage rates in India and the USA market. Residential mortgage rates are vital in shaping housing markets and economic trends in India and the USA. While the two countries differ in economic and regulatory frameworks, mortgage rates significantly impact homeownership and market stability. This overview highlights key differences and their effects on housing markets. Mortgage rates in India and the USA. In India, mortgage rates range from 8% to 10%, driven by higher inflation and risk premiums. Floating rate loans are common, linked to benchmarks like the repo rate or MCLR, with Reserve Bank of India (RBI) policies influencing these rates. In the USA, rates average 6% to 7%, with fixed-rate loans dominating due to their stability over 15 or 30-year terms. Rates in the USA are shaped by Federal Reserve policies and broader economic conditions. Loan terms also vary. Indian loans typically span 15 to 20 years with higher down payments, 20% to 25%, limiting affordability for middle-income groups. In contrast, US loans often extend to 30 years, supported by lower down payments, as low as 3%, due to government-backed programs like FHA loans. Impacts on housing markets. In India, high rates reduce affordability and limit first-time homebuyer demand, especially in urban areas where property prices outpace income. Developers focus on affluent buyers, leaving unsold inventory. The USA saw a pandemic-driven housing boom due to low rates but now faces affordability issues as rates rise, slowing home sales and construction. Investment dynamics reflect these trends. High interest rates in India discourage speculative real estate investments, favoring alternative options like gold or mutual funds. The USA, with traditionally lower rates, supported buy-to-rent investments, but recent rate hikes have tempered speculative buying, stabilizing prices. Real estate contributes differently to each country's GDP. In India, the sector accounts for 6% to 7%, growing steadily but constrained by affordability issues. In the USA, real estate contributes 18% to GDP, with a robust secondary mortgage market providing resilience against rate hikes. Economic implications. High mortgage costs in India reduce disposable income and curb spending in other sectors. US mortgage rates directly affect consumer spending, with rising costs slowing economic growth. Both countries' housing markets are sensitive to monetary policy. In India, rate hikes by the RBI impact affordability, while US Federal Reserve decisions affect fixed and adjustable rate loans. Homeownership rates highlight these challenges. India has a slightly higher homeownership rate, till 70%, but urban affordability remains a concern. In the USA, historically competitive rates have promoted homeownership, but rising costs are eroding affordability in high-demand areas. India should consider lowering mortgage rates, offering subsidies for first-time buyers, and enhancing digital lending to boost market efficiency. In the USA, stabilizing rates through Federal Reserve policies and expanding affordable housing programs could address declining affordability. Mortgage rates shape housing affordability, demand, and market stability in both nations. While India grapples with high rates and affordability constraints, the USA faces challenges from rising rates after a period of historic lows. Addressing these issues with targeted policies and financial innovations can support sustainable housing markets and economic growth. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.